everyone, welcome back to another How to Asalato series where we teach you single-handed Asalato tricks. Today we are going to talk about peace. This is an Asalato trick that does a ball change very similar to the air turn. It is called peace because we'll be using the peace sign, and I will show you slow motion videos today and teach you how to perform this trick called peace. Now, to generate the momentum for peace, you need to start off from this position and do a flip up. From the flip flop, we are going to get rid of the flop and only do a flip, going to an external rotation of the heli. One more time. To perform peace, we are going to start in this position. We are going to first do an external heli. With this external rotation, we are going to lift our index finger up. Try this a few times. After you are getting comfortable, release your third finger. In this manner, your thumb is also important. It acts as a gatekeeper. From here, try to collide. After a few times, okay, bring it over. And you can find now that the rope is in between your third and fourth finger. With this, you rotate outwards again, and the rope is back up to your index. Likewise, use your thumb again. Now, after you have practiced your piece, we want to bring it back to this position. In this position itself, while practicing for the piece, okay, we are going to do a rotation, and this time we are going to keep our index in so that we can bring the rope back. Okay, a slow-mo from piece. Now that you've learned how to play peace, I hope you can incorporate it into your other Asalato rhythms. Remember to practice both your left and right hand and come up with different and various rhythms. I hope that this how to series has been helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.